Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I am Achal Singh welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were doing unit number 8, that is the world around us. So in the unit number 8, I'm going to, from the unit number 8, I'm going to start with another topic in the today's session. So that is, the topic is stars of the business world. So this is the first topic that I'm going to start in, this is the new topic that I'm going to start in today's session. So all of you open your books at page number 56, that is stars of the business world. Okay, the topic is stars of the business world. Stars of the business world. So this is the topic with which I am going to start in today's session, and this is given at page number 56, which is given at page number 56, stars of the business world. Okay, so in this topic basically we will talk about the various businessmen all around the world, the popular businessmen of the world, okay, those who have gained popularity all around the world, जिन्होंने दुनिया में बहुत सारे popularity हासिल की है with their hard work. Okay, so the first person we'll talk about, he is Bill Gates. Okay, so I hope everybody has heard about him. The first businessman we will talk about, he is Bill Gates. Okay. Okay, so now who's Bill Gates? So Bill Gates is one of the co-founder of Microsoft, the world's largest personal computer software company. He is one of the world's richest person. He and his wife Melinda Gates are also the founder of the Bill and the Melinda Gates Foundation, which takes up various kinds of charitable works around the world. Okay, so basically Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft. Now Microsoft software आप सबको पता है, so you have already heard about the Microsoft. तो Microsoft के बारे में आप already जानते हैं. Okay, in your computer, this is one of the topic also, Microsoft Word. Okay, Microsoft is also, उसके अलावा the Microsoft Teams that we are using from last one and a half year for our online classes, for conducting our examinations. Okay, so that Microsoft Team, okay, MS Word, okay, so they all are the part of the Microsoft. वो सब Microsoft का ही है. And who is the founder of that? Bill Gates. So Bill Gates is the co-founder. He is not the founder, he is the co-founder. What is the meaning of co-founder? Co-founder means किसी के साथ मिलके, मतलब सपोज दो लोग हैं जिन्होंने इकट्ठे मिलके कोई कंपनी एस्टेब्लिश की है. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स दे बोथ आर को-फाउंडर. तो दो को-फाउंडर मीन्स उसके साथ मिलके. So Bill Gates along with is one of the co-founder of the Microsoft. Okay, and the Microsoft is one of the world's large leading software company. Okay, दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी सॉफ्टवेयर कंट्री, एंड ही इज़ वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड. तो दुनिया के जितने भी रिचेस्ट पर्सन, सबसे अमीर आदमियों में इनका नाम गिना जाता है. सो बिल गेट्स इज़ वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड. ओके, एंड ही एंड हिज वाइफ मेलिंडा गेट्स, Bill Gates and Melinda Gates, she is his wife. Okay, they had found various charitable trust as well. इन्होंने बहुत सारे charitable trust भी खोले हैं. And one of them is Bill and the name of one of the trust is Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So this is the name of the one of the foundation of them. Under this foundation, they help they do various charitable work. बहुत सारे charitable work करते हैं, काम करते हैं, and they help the needy people and the poor people. Okay, so who is okay? So he is Bill Gates. So who is Bill Gates? Co-founder of. He is the co-founder of Microsoft. He is the co-founder of Microsoft. Okay, and richest person. Okay, one of the richest person in the world. Okay, चलिए richest में लिखेंगे. Okay, he. Okay, founder of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Okay, so this is one of the very leading foundation which is popular for its charitable work. Okay, and Bill Gates and his wife Melinda Gates, they both are the founder of this. So basically, Microsoft is the Bill Gates is the owner of the Microsoft. चलिए, next is Ratan Tata. So the second person we will talk about, he is the gem of our country. हमारे इंडिया की एक बहुत बड़ी जेम है, बहुत बड़े बिजनेसमैन है. So who is he? He is Ratan Tata. Who is he? He is Ratan Tata. Now who is Ratan Tata? Ratan Tata was the chairman of the Tata Group. Okay, one of the largest business houses in India. He is the great grandson of Jamsetji Tata, the founder of the Tata Group. Under Ratan Tata's guidance, Tata Motors launched the world's cheapest car in the year 2009, that is Nano. So now who is Ratan Tata? So Ratan Tata is one of the very Ratan Tata was the chairman of Tata Group. So Tata Group के वो chairman है. So you must have heard about the Tata Group. So देखिए the various products that we are using nowadays, that is Tata की जो cars आती हैं, Tata Motors are there, Tata Salt, Tata Tea. Okay, so various products of Tata you can see all around yourself. Okay, now Tata Moneyfy, all these. So देखिए the group is investing, has its investment. Tata Group has invested in the various types of industries and the waste of the Tata Group ने बहुत अलग अलग जगह investment की है. But one of the leading one is it's the food chain, food group, and the second is the Tata Motors. Okay, now Ratan Tata. Okay, so he is one of the gem. Okay, so you must have heard about the Taj Mahal, the Taj. Okay, the Taj in Varanasi is also there. The Taj Ganges Taj, the Taj Ganges है, the Ganges Taj जो भी है. Okay, so the Taj Hotel है ना, Taj Mahal, Taj Hotel, that also belongs to the Tata Group. Okay, that also belongs to the Tata Group only. Okay, so Ratan Tata, he is the owner of the Taj. He was the chairman of the Tata Group. And who has founded this Tata Group? देखिए Tata Group was basically founded by his great grandfather Jamsetji Tata. Okay, so Jamsetji Tata जो Ratan Tata के दादाजी थे, he was the founder of. He has laid down the stepstone of the Tata Group. Okay, and after him जो Tata Jamsetji Tata के बाद उनके बेटे ने संभाली, and after him Ratan Tata is now the chairman of Tata Group. Okay, and it is this one of the largest business house in India. इंडिया के सबसे बड़े business houses में से एक है. He is the great grandson of the Jamsetji Tata. Okay, so he is also the grandson of Jamsetji Tata, who is the founder of the Tata Group. Okay, under the Ratan Tata's guidance, Tata Motors launched the world's cheapest car in the 2009 Nano. So under the guidance of Ratan Tata only, the Tata Group was able to launch the cheapest car in the world, that is Nano. So the cost of Nano is just about 150, near about 150 to 2 lakhs only. 1,50,000 to 2 lakhs only. Okay, so this was one of the cheapest car in the world. Okay, that he had made available to the common people as well in the year 2009. So it is I think 2-seater car, or I think 3-seater, whatever. Okay, but this is one of the cheapest car in the world, and the name of that car is Nano. Okay, so who is the founder of? He is the chairman of Tata Group. Okay, so who is Ratan Tata? Chairman of Tata Group. Chairman. Who is Ratan Tata? He is the chairman of Tata Group. He is the chairman of Tata Group. Next, he is also the great. He is also the great grandson. He is also the great grandson of Jamsetji Tata. He is also the great grandson of Jamsetji Tata. Okay. He has also launched. The world cheapest car. Cheapest car, that is Nano. Okay, that is also launched by the Tata Group. So here is Bill Gates, the second is Ratan Tata. Moving next to the third one. The third businessman we will talk about, he is Narayan Murthy. The next businessman we will talk about, that is Narayan Murthy. The third is Narayan Murthy. Murthy. That is Narayan Murthy. Now who is Narayan Murthy? So Narayan Murthy is an Indian industrialist. He is one of the founder of the Infosys, a leading international IT company based in India. For his creative business ideas, his support of many social causes and promoting India internationally, he has received many awards including the Padma Vibhushan. So now we are talking about the Narayan Murthy. Now who is Narayan Murthy? So he is also one of the Indian industrialists. So भी भारत के एक industrialist हैं. Okay, so he is the founder of Infosys. So you must have heard about the Infosys. This is one of the leading IT company in India. So it has its headquarter in India only. Okay, so it is one of the very leading international IT company, Infosys. Okay. For his creative business ideas, his support of many social causes and promoting India internationally, he has received many awards including the Padma Vibhushan. So he has promoted India on the international level through his business skills. Okay, so as this Infosys has its headquarters in India, or it is an India-based company, so that's why as this company is exploring, so along with that, the people, the international people, they're also coming they're also getting aware about the business ideas of the Indians. Okay, so that's why indirectly he is promoting India internationally or all over the world with his skills. Okay, so for that he has also been awarded with the Padma Vibhushan award. So this is one of the national award that is provided by awarded by the president of the country. So Narayan Murthy has also won that. He has also been awarded with this award, that is Padma Vibhushan. Okay, so who is he? Narayan Murthy is one of the leading Indian industrialists, and he is the founder of the Infosys, one of the leading IT company, one of the leading international IT company. Okay, and he had promoted India internationally through his business skills, and that's why he has also been awarded with the Padma Vibhushan, and a civil national award. Okay, so the third person is Narayan Murthy. So who is he? He is the founder of Infosys. He is the founder of Infosys. He is the founder of Infosys. Okay, next. Okay, and along with being the founder of Infosys, okay, so he has also been awarded. Okay, so the main thing about this is that he has also been awarded with Padma Vibhushan. Okay, so he has also been awarded Padma Vibhushan. Sorry, that is Padma, P-A-D-M-A, Padma Vibhushan. Okay, so this is a National Civilian Awards, Civilian National Award that is awarded by the Prime President. Okay, so he is the founder of Infosys, and he has also been awarded with Padma Vibhushan. And why he has been awarded with Padma Vibhushan? Because he has promoted India on the international level. So that's why he has been awarded with this award. So he is Narayan Murthy. Moving next to the fourth one. So the next fourth is Madam Walker. So now we'll talk about Madam Walker. Madam Walker was a successful African American businesswoman. Okay, she is listed in the Guinness Book of Records as the first woman to become a millionaire through her own achievements. She became successful by developing and marketing a range of beauty and the hair products. So now we are talking about one of the leading business women. अभी तक हमने we had talked about Bill Gates, Ratan Tata, and Narayan Murthy. They all were men. So now we are talking about a business woman. She is one of the leading business women in the world. Okay, and her name is Madam Walker. She was an African American business woman. Okay, she is an African American business woman. Okay, and she is the first woman who has become millionaire or billionaire. She is the first woman to become millionaire through her own achievements. Okay, and that's why her name has also been written or listed in the Guinness Book of World Records. Okay, so she is the first business woman who has become millionaire with her own achievements. Okay, and that's why she has also been listed in the Guinness Book of World Records. Okay, she became successful by developing and marketing a range of beauty and hair products. So why, in which business she was dealing? So she was dealing in the business of beauty and hair products. So the company that she has started, with which she has become such a successful businesswoman, that company is based on hair and beauty products. Okay, so that company deals in hair and beauty products, and later on that this company became so popular worldwide. Okay, after that she is one of the first business women who has become millionaire with her own achievements, and she is Madam C.J. Walker. So fourth is Madam. She is Madam C.J. Walker. Okay, so who is Madam C.J. Walker? She is African American businesswoman. She is an African American. She is an African American business woman. Okay. Okay. She is the first woman to become millionaire. She is the first woman to become a millionaire. Millionaire means crorepati. Okay. Okay. Her name is listed in. Her name is also listed in. Her name is also listed in Guinness, Guinness Book of Records. Her name is also listed in Guinness Book of Records. Okay, now who is she? She is Madam C.J. Walker. Clear? Next, Kiran Majumdar and some other businessmen are also there. So that we will discuss in the next session. So for today, I'm just ending the session here only class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then everybody, have a great day.